long time no see guys. Welcome to our Pokemon Platinum walkthrough. So Pokemon Platinum walkthrough will be starting from the beginning today. So Pokemon. However, I wanted to tell you the Pokemon Professor. Before you go any further, is this your first adventure? If you really need advice, I'm completely capable of giving it. If you don't really need any advice, this world is widely inhabited by creatures known as Pokemon. Here I have a Pokeball. Touch. And sometimes people use their Pokemon to battle and develop closely bonded systems. Well, I conduct research so that we may learn more about Pokemon. Now, why don't you tell me a light about yourself? Are you a boy or a girl? Okay. I just made up some name. In school, I believe he's your friend. What might his name be? No, I'm trying to name my rivals here Nomad. That's your friend's name. Alright, Ralston, the time has come. Your very own tale of current adventure is about to unfold. On your journey, you will meet countless people and Pokemon. I'm sure that along the way you will even discover many things, perhaps even something about yourself. Now go on, leap into the world of Pokemon. And to our Jupiter TV on Nationwide Net. See you next week, same time, same channel. No, don't you dare garbage it to Allo! I lost me. This is good. Crap. Sure you did. Professor Rollins was a really important guy who studies Pokemon, right? That means he knows how to help with Pokemon. If we ask him, he'll give us some Pokemon. Oh, yeah, I think he's on something here. What do you want me to do now? Oh, hey, is this a new PC? Where was I? Oh, what? We're gonna see Professor Run and get some Pokemon off the outside. If you're right, I'm buying you $10 million. What the heck? I don't even have $1 million. It'd be a good idea to save right here. Oh, hi, Mom. Frosty. Your mother already left. I don't know what it was about, but he was sure in a hurry. Oh, yes, Frosty. Don't go into the tall grass. Well, Pokemon might thank you. It'd be okay if you had some Pokemon where you don't, so, well, take care, sweetie. God. Oh, Jesus, forgot something. Okay. Let's go and talk to his mom real quick. Oh, hi, Rusty. That's pretty bad. Here's go for the drink and running back in the home. He just can't sit still, that boy. I wonder who he takes care after. I better take my bag and my journal too. Oh, hi, Rusty. I'll be waiting on the road. It's a fine afternoon. I feel late. Yeah, I don't believe that story. Let's see. I can rock it off. Sorry, that kid rocked it off again like usual. I guess he'd be out on Route 201 right now. He just can't sit still, that boy. I wonder who takes that care after. This, wasn't any good either. Oh, yeah. You're Rusty, alright. Professor Owen, is it? What's he doing here? It tried to counter the telegraph because it wanted Pokemon. What to do? Oh, certainly change if there is meet Pokemon. Is it right for me to put them on that path? Of course it is. You should do a Pokemon Dungeons here. Yes, I do. Me too. I love Pokemon. I'll see you on YouTube. You should do Pokemon, don't you? Yeah. You can ask 100 times. Means will never change. Over 100 times. We love Pokemon. Great Rusty? Yes. I would kiss this first. What say answer? That's that Pokemon. Everything was before. Would do Pokemon. Okay, don't forget about me. Forgive a Pokemon. I'm going to hey please, how'd you get into the photograph all if you do was then I won't try to keep Pokemon. I apologize you for trying to exercise that you can talk to me. Never recklessly endanger yourselves ever again. Now it's not where. Oh my gosh, it's Dawn! Mr. Rowan? You left your briefcase at the lake. Oh, is there something wrong here? Ah, there it is. Dawn, nice work. What I was about to do though is going to entrust these two with their own Pokemon. Pardon? These Pokemon are hard to replace. Are you sure about giving them away? They exist side by side with Pokemon. There comes a time when people should meet Pokemon. And the world that should be explored together. For them, today is that time. The place right here. Come on, open the briefcase and choose the Pokemon. Really, Professor Rowan? I can't believe it. I'm so happy that I can't keep a straight face. Hey, Rossi, you can choose first. I'm practically a grown-up. I have to show some class here. Let's go and save real quick. I know people were gonna get mad at me for saving right before I picked my Pokemon. But just in case my game crashes for some apparent reason, we need to get this done. Now the people are gonna ask me what starter Pokemon what starter Pokemon are you gonna choose and why? I think I'm gonna pick Chimchar. Professor, where's me? Oh, yes, okay. We will be ready for this here in the next episode of Pokemon Platinum. Thanks for watching.